Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we'll be diving deep into the world of asset hierarchy and how it can revolutionize your maintenance tasks. By the end of this video, you'll understand how an asset hierarchy works, how to build one, and how it can make your operations more efficient and effective. Now let's unravel the mystery of asset hierarchy in the context of maintenance and reliability teams. So what is an asset hierarchy? It's a logical index of all your maintenance equipment, machines, and components, and how they all work together. Understanding your facility's asset hierarchy is critical to efficiently tracking, scheduling, and identifying the root causes of failure in your equipment. When you pair the strategy of an asset hierarchy with your CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, you can use the condition data from your most important assets to determine the ideal maintenance schedule. This can help prevent breakdowns and, believe it or not, reduce your emergency maintenance by up to 75%. Now, every facility is unique in how it assigns the parent-child relationship of its equipment and machinery. Once you figure out these relationships among your assets, you can schedule repairs, inspections, and other maintenance tasks in a way that causes minimal disruption to your entire system. Having a solid record of all your critical machinery allows you to see, track, and record usage and normal wear. This information is crucial for predictive maintenance planning, helping you make smart decisions about inspections, maintenance, or even asset replacement. By creating a detailed inventory of all your equipment and their replaceable components, you can pinpoint the root cause of failures, figure out which parts are causing the most problems, and see where your maintenance costs lie. This information not only helps management make smarter big-picture decisions, but it can also guide and inform an individual technician during routine checks and repairs. So, how do you build an asset hierarchy? The best time to start is during a maintenance software upgrade. Before you begin, make sure to establish a logical structure and consistent naming system. Then, focus on including only those assets that are critical to running your day-to-day operations. It's better to select fewer machines with more details about each component than to have a surface record for all of your equipment, including the machines you rarely use. Finally, assign ownership of the hierarchy to one key maintenance supervisor. This person will be responsible for auditing, modifying, and improving the system over time. They'll also need to keep the hierarchy up to date by adding any new assets, deleting old assets, and revisiting the relationship structures as the facility or maintenance program evolves. Thank you for watching this episode. We've explored the concept of asset hierarchy, its importance, and how to build one to make your maintenance tasks more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from UpKeep.